Hi to Aunt Calvin.
Hi, Calvin.
Hi, Uncle Brian.
Hello. Hi, Uncle Brian.
You say, I love you.
Hello. Hello.
You say, thank you.
Nana.
Thank you for my scooter.
Nana, Tutu.
You like your scooter?
Hi, Tutu.
Yeah, you want to show them how you ride on your scooter?
Hi, Tutu.
You ride your scooter. You can watch yourself and ride the scooter. Get on your scooter. There you go. You ride. Whee! Come here, come this way. Back it up. There you go. Riding my scooter, riding my scooter. I like to ride my scooter, scooter, scooter. Yay! Watch out for the table. Back it up. There you go. Back up the scooter. Coming towards Mom. There we go. Riding my scooter, riding my scooter. I like to ride my scooter, booter, booter. Yay! Turn it around. Come this way. Is it fun?
Mom.
You like it? You like your scooter? Say whee! Watch out for the table.
What?
Yeah.
Hello, Tutu.
Hello, choo-choo train. You wave? Wave to Aunt Calvin.
Hi, Calvin.
Say, thank you. Say, I like my scooter. I can go everywhere in the house with it. Whee! Oh, watch out for the wall. Woohoo! Watch out for the wall. Birthday balloons. Yay! Uh-oh, balloon.
Yeah.
You sing your ABCs for me? Don't eat the balloon, silly goose. All right, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say I love you.
Bye-bye.
Say thank you. Balloon boy.